Hi there everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to create an avatar in WhatsApp. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is to open your WhatsApp. Once you're already there, it will be directed to your direct messages. Click Settings on the lower right portion of your screen. You will be directed to your settings. Click Avatar. It says here, create your own avatar. Click that. Wait for it to load and click Get Started. Now you can customize the avatar as much as you want. You can choose your skin tone, your appearance, your hair, your face value, and much more. Once you're done, click Save Changes. You can edit your avatar as much as you want after. Click Next. Once you're done, you can already see now your avatar is already set up. After that, go ahead to your WhatsApp app once more. And then, let us choose now the avatar that you want to use in a text. For example, click the plus button right here. Click on your avatar. Now you can use your avatar. As you can see, the avatar is now set up into different emotions that I think is really catchy. This update is really worth going for. Just choose the sticker that you want to use and send it into your conversation. And there you have it. This is how you create and use an avatar on WhatsApp. So there you have it, quick and easy tutorial for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.